I invested $100 in this and became a millionaire in 1 year. Have you ever dreamt of escaping the rat race and achieving financial freedom? Do you crave a life filled with travel, adventure, and the ability to pursue your passions? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world harbor similar desires. But for many, the path to financial independence seems shrouded in mystery and uncertainty. Today, I'm here to tell you that building wealth is more attainable than you might think. In fact, I'm living proof. 1 year ago, I was just like you, stuck in a dead-end job, living paycheck to paycheck and desperately searching for a way out. But then, I stumbled upon an opportunity that changed my life forever. Before this incredible journey, I was trapped in a cycle of financial stress. Every month, it felt like a race against the clock, desperately trying to make ends meet. The constant worry and pressure weighed heavily on me, affecting my relationships and overall well-being. It was a frustrating and disheartening situation, but I knew I had to break free. Driven by a burning desire for a better life, I embarked on a mission to understand the world of investing. I devoured books, enrolled in online courses, and devoured any information I could find. I spent countless hours researching different strategies, analyzing market trends, and learning from successful investors. This newfound knowledge ignited a spark within me. I discovered a whole new perspective on wealth creation, realizing that my financial future wasn't predetermined but rather shaped by my own choices and actions. One day, while diligently navigating the financial landscape, I encountered a unique investment opportunity. It possessed an element of risk, but the potential rewards were staggering. After careful consideration and analysis, I decided to take a leap of faith and invest my entire savings, a mere $100. At that moment, I knew this decision could be the catalyst for a life-altering transformation. Over the next year, I watched with bated breath as my investment steadily grew. Each passing month brought a surge of excitement and anticipation. And then, finally, the moment I had dreamt of arrived. My $100 investment had blossomed into $1 million. Becoming a millionaire wasn't just about accumulating wealth. It was about reclaiming control of my life. It freed me from the shackles of financial stress and enabled me to pursue my dreams with newfound confidence and enthusiasm. Today, I travel the world, spend quality time with loved ones, and engage in activities that bring me joy and fulfillment. I am finally living the life I always envisioned, and it's all thanks to the courageous decision I made to invest in myself. While my experience may seem exceptional, the underlying principles are universal. Anyone with the right mindset and approach can achieve financial success. Here are the key takeaways from my journey. Patience. Building wealth takes time and consistent effort. Don't expect overnight success. Focus on building a solid foundation and making smart long-term decisions. Discipline. Resist the temptation to make impulsive decisions based solely on emotions. Embrace learning. Never stop learning and expanding your knowledge. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, so stay ahead of the curve and adapt your strategies accordingly. Seek guidance. Surround yourself with supportive individuals like financial advisors or mentors. Their experience and expertise can be invaluable on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, your success is within your grasp. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and take action. The path to financial freedom may not be easy, but it's definitely attainable. I am eternally grateful for the incredible opportunity that transformed my life. But ultimately, it was my determination, resilience, and willingness to learn that paved the way for my success. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and achieve your goals, I urge you to take the first step today. Educate yourself, explore your options, and never give up on your dreams. With dedication and perseverance, anything is possible.